An office there for about 2.5 years, has mainly focused in Hanoi, and mainly has focused on women who have been trafficked. However, over time, a lot of the clients have kids, and a lot of the clients that have been coming into Hagar's care in Vietnam have gotten younger and younger. So one example is a story of a young girl who was 16 when she was trafficked. She ran away from home because there was some domestic abuse happening at home. She went to an internet cafe, stayed there for 2 days. She thought that was kind of her safe haven, her safe space. And in the internet cafe, she racked up a bill. In US dollars, it would be about $15. But for a young girl countryside, that's an enormous amount of money, so she wasn't able to pay it up. So what happened is online, they have this service called RescueNet or something like that. She contacted this service, they came, paid off her debt, and she was expected to work off her debt somehow. What happened was she was, her hair got cut, she was sort of dolled up, and then she was brought to the border, left in a room, and that's pretty much how she was trafficked. So she came into our care, was very young, probably about 17, and our program is mainly focused on women, putting them in vocational training. But when she came in, it was really clear to us that what she needed was a family. She needed to be in school again. She only finished 8th grade. But we didn't really have the services or the capacity to be able to provide those services, so the best we could do is help her with vocational training. She dropped out of vocational training, and right now, unfortunately, this is one of the hardest parts of my job and all of our jobs at Hagar Vietnam. She's in a situation now that she's at risk for re-trafficking. This is one case that really highlights to me the need for more resources to support our programs. If we did have a children's program or a foster care program, or if we worked in other areas in the country, we would be able to meet the needs of someone like this one particular client, and maybe she wouldn't be in this situation. The last 2.5 years have been focused on setting up our programs, kind of getting our legal registration, getting our initial staff in, and we're all kind of stable, and that's going quite well. But right now we're looking to expand outside of just working with women in Hanoi, expand to different locations in Vietnam, because we see in the countryside there's a lot of need. A lot of the victims don't live in the cities, they live in the countryside. They're a lot younger, there's a lot of boys as well. There's so much need, and we see that need. So in order to be able to meet these needs, we need more resources, more awareness about what these issues are.